Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, I'm Miss Fatima Kuzi and I will take over chapter 5, which is Imperialism and Conquest. In this chapter, basically, you need to learn what is the basic concept of imperialism, what is imperialism itself. In this chapter, I would like to explain what is imperialism and conquest. Basically, we had two objectives. First objective is to expose to students reasons for colonization and its effect on the colonized countries in terms of influence on political ideology and changes in ethnic compositions. And the second objective, to expose to students a reason and process of nation building and its relations to world politics. For learning outcome, students will understand a reason why a country was colonized and the effect of colonizations. The second learning outcome, students will understand a reason of some political problem in the world. What is the definition of imperialism? Imperialism is a position or policy of preeminence or dominance with respect to foreign element, as in the Romans, Ottomans, or British Empire. Imperialism in earlier century involved the establishment of colonies, which led to so-called colonialism. It is an action to rule over a people or place through colonization's political power or military power. Imperialism, especially in the 60th to mid-20th century, structured world order starkly around the dominance principle with master and slave, conquer and conquered people with their land, labor, and treasure. It is also a policy of conquering and ruling of other lands. It involved European countries, which is Spain, Portugal, Britain, France, Germany, Italy, Belgium, and United States of America. Imperialism and colonialism started in accordance with the philosophy and concept of social Darwinism, which refer to various ideologies based on a concept of competition among groups or nations. This theory was used to promote idea that the white European race was superior than others, then destined to rule over them. Therefore, strong nations were obligated to dominate weak nations. All imperialism beginning with the age of explorations until the early 1700s by Spain and Portugal, which is Central and South America. In 1800, new patterns took place and intensified after the Franco and Prussian War in 1871. The Berlin Conference 1884 until 1885 established a set of agreed rules regarding to the competition among the great powers for colonies in Africa. The reason of conflicts among the European countries before 1914 struggle to obtain overseas colonies. Basically, there are two methods of ruling. First is direct rules, and second is indirect rules. There are three main theories of imperialism. First is political theory, second is conservative theory, and the third one is liberal theory. What is political theory? Political theory is about the process by which nations try to achieve a better economic status. It is also a manifestation of a balance of power. Conservative theory focuses on the preservation of the existing social order in the development countries. The aim are to secure trade and to maintain employment. A strong ideological and racial assumption of Western superiority. Liberal theory is a policy choice by increasing concentration of wealth within the richer countries. It is a way to reduce costs and to secure new consumption products. All imperialism started with the age of exploration. Until the early 1700s by Spain and Portugal, they acquired territories in Central and South America. In 1800, a new pattern took place and intensified after the Franco and Prussian War in 1871. The war was between France and Germany, and France lost to the German state under the leadership of Prussia. The Berlin Conference, 1884 until 1885, established a set of agreed rules regarding the competition among the great powers for colonies in Africa. The reason of conflict among the European countries before 1914 was the struggle to obtain overseas colonies. The dramatic changes took place in Africa, then became known as Scramble for Africa. European quest was to control natural resources in Africa.